heading over to the E station. We got some 91 in the tank right now, but been trying to get rid of it. I had to switch back to 91 because I took the car back to the dealer, so I just uninstalled the access port, and now access port is back on. We're back on the sneaky tune map, 91 octane. Still pretty fun, but ethanol is the way to go with these cars. Just gonna head over there and go ahead and get that installed, or make the swap. We got the Genesis that just passed this. So times like this, when the traffic is low, it might look like a lot of cars for you, but to me the traffic is low, and you know, you can actually enjoy the driving. It can be pretty therapeutic, especially in the nighttime. There's no sun, the weather is cool. We got a nice 67 degrees out for the boost weather. Can't complain. This car is pretty damn quiet, TBH. I like it, but I don't like it. I like it when it's just, you know, daily driving and just want to be civilized, or if there's police around. I like it. But if I want to get rowdy against all these other cars, turbo cars, V8s, then, you know, I like when it can give a little bit more bark. Let's step on the gas. Oh shit. Yeah. That's also what I wanted to talk about too, the comparison between jumping from 91 over to E85, and I'm pretty sure I had it in normal mode. Oh, it was in sport. Yeah, I want to talk about like the difference too, because that right there, it feels peppy, but power band dies off pretty quickly compared to E85. And the thing about it is that it's really weird. It kind of tricks you, because at first, when you first get on the pedal, it feels peppy, like it wants to go, and it feels like it hits a lot quicker than ethanol, at least like in the lower RPMs. It takes off quicker with 9. I was actually surprised with 91. Felt quicker taking off from red lights, just a little bit more peppier in the lower RPM ranges. But once you get past like 4 grand, it just dies off and it falls flat. You don't really feel much of a difference after that. Yeah, once you switch over to ethanol, it just wants to keep pulling, and you don't feel the power die off until, I want to say, after like 5,500. So we got the Mustang GT right here. Wonder how my 91 tune would do against them. Yeah, I don't think I've ran any V8s on my 91 tune, to be honest, but for these cars, definitely ethanol is the way to go. I was trying to get rid of all my 91 in the tank before I went to fill up, and I think I made it pretty damn close. I don't know if you can see right there. Just do one quick little boost hit, try to get everything out of there. I want a nice clean full tank of ethanol. Get a little bit more. We got the tester kit, and checks out 85% with that back. Cool, and now we want to flash to ethanol. Should be this one. I'll make sure our lights and everything is off. Stereo is off. Perfect. Now we give it a few minutes for this shit to get back to the ethanol map. Back to some more torque. And you always kind of just want to lightly keep tapping the gas pedal so the ECU can fully adjust to the new fuel and tune. It helps. Yeah, buddy, we are back on the ethanol E85 map. Shout out to Sneeky Tune. See, and this is exactly what I mean. On the lower RPMs, getting onto the highway, it doesn't feel as peppy. It doesn't feel as quick as like the 91 octane map. With this, it kind of feels like there's a lag in a sense, but I don't know if it's just the tune is like that, or if it's actually like the octane, like the gas affecting it. But yeah, 91, I want to say it's better for daily driving. Obviously, you have more stations around you. Feels like it picks up a little bit quicker. But with the ethanol, you get that mid-range torque. Once it hits the boost and more like in the top end, definitely feel the difference. The pump gas will just die off pretty quick, so I guess that's like the trade-off. Is that a scat? No, it's just a hemi. I love the twisties. Oh shit. Capped, my guy. Hey, let's see if he wants to try it again. What a time to be alive. 4 cylinders beating V8s. And that's why I love this car. You just underestimate it all the time. It doesn't look like much. It's not too flashy, but yet when it needs to go, it will do it, and it'll do it just fine. Like that, doing that was very smooth. He was stock, but even then, you know, it's a brand new V8. Gotta go up against one of those new 10 speeds though. I wonder how that'll do. Anyways, I think it's time to head back and kind of call it a night. I'm pretty tired. But yeah, it feels good to be back on the ethanol tune. Obviously you can see the difference. Well, I mean, I can see the difference, but you just saw me beat a 5.0, so that's always nice. I really want to try to get like an SS next time, but yeah, we'll see how shit happens.